Hello everyone, this is Gurjeet Kaur, digital marketer at SEO Discovery, and today we will discuss about Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic. Google Analytics has undergone many versions since its inception. It is currently on its fourth iteration of platform, which is called GA4. GA4 is the renamed versions for the app and web that Google has released in 2019 in beta version. Benefits of GA4: cross-platform tracking. With the help of GA4, you can easily compare and analyze the data of a website and app in one reporting environment. Analysis. Analysis is a new reporting section that gives you a completely tool set to do advanced analysis and create ad hoc funnels based on whichever event page you want. Free BigQuery integration. Previously, this was only available for paying GA users, but with the new GA version, you can export your GA data to BigQuery. Improved data model. GA4 uses an event-driven data model. It means that the underlying model of page views, event hits, and session that has changed and been replaced with the system of events. Purchase probability and churn. GA4 has a new feature that allows you to group users into audience based on probability that they will make a purchase. These probability are based on machine learning. Should you move to GA4? For now, I recommend you to run both properties separately from each other. This will also give you and your team the time to get comfortable with the new type of tracking and reporting that GA4 offers. Now in 2022, Google announced that GA4 will be the only options for users from 1st July 2023. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.